Hey, my name is Alexandra Monet, and this is a little vlog on a avocado deep condition. So stay tuned, and you're gonna see how I do mine, so you can do yours, and we can both have healthy, strong, and conditioned hair. Let's jump into it. So these are my ingredients, and a little more about these avocados. They are an awesome natural hair moisturizer. They also help prevent hair loss and promote hair growth. They strengthen hair, of course, with the vitamin E and the good fats that they have, and naturally they protect hair. So this is what I'm using to blend my conditioner. It's a NutriBullet, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I went ahead and I made my deep condition mask with the ingredients that you saw. So this is how I cut my avocado. And it's a little ripe, a little like, yeah, I'm not going to eat that yet. But for me, I think this is the best because this is the softest. And I'm really just trying to use all the product that I have here. So that's what you're going to go ahead and do. You're going to cut open your avocado. Like I said, I am using 2 avocados just because I want to make sure that I have enough. And I'm adding it to my NutriBullet. And next I'm going to go ahead and add my coconut oil. So I grabbed just a regular spoon, okay? And I'm going to scoop out just enough coconut oil that's going to fit my spoon. So I'm not trying to make it too oily because I always go back on top of my hair with oils after this whole process is over. So that's about as much I'm going to use. And then I just drizzled in my honey. Again, I don't have specific measurements for this, but I just kind of eyeball it, and I know, about a teaspoon or a tablespoon of honey is what I'm going for. So this is what it looks like, all our raw ingredients in here. And this is what it looks like after I have blended it. So we have a really nice consistency. As you can see, it is super smooth, like the perfect avocado mass. It's very soft and it's very lightweight. There are no clumps. Shout out to my NutriBullet. You can do this by hand, but it'll take a little longer. But this is what it's going to look like. So now it's going to be time to apply the product in our hair. So after getting out of the shower from washing my hair, this is me looking a hot mess with this avocado mask in. Okay, so, as you can see, the mask is kind of sitting on top of my hair right now because it is a very thick mask and it's going to take a while to kind of soak in my hair. So I did. I let it sit there for probably like an hour. Yeah, but this is what it's looking like just straight after working the product in. So after about, an hour and a half, I hopped back in the shower and I washed it out. And I have to say, the results of this recipe for this avocado mask, they were very good. My hair was very bouncy and elastic, I would have to say. In terms of moisture, I believe it could have been better. And I might switch out the oil that I used for the moisture piece, maybe even add a little bit of aloe vera. But when it comes to being able to work, tools in my hair, such as combing my hair or detangling or trying to get started on a hairstyle, I really think that this type of conditioner or avocado mask recipe was it, because I was able to get through my hair a lot better. The detangling process was great. So that would be my review for this little avocado mask vlog. I also took this time to do a quick check on my hair to see any straight pieces. I don't know if you guys have seen my last YouTube video where I had to do a mini chop on some heat damaged hair. So I am still working through that. So yeah, don't forget to check out that video on how I literally cut out all of that hair. But these are the finished results. So after I went ahead and I deep conditioned, I did a nice twist out, and I really didn't add very much product, but the fact that I was able to work through my hair a lot better really defined my twist out. So I would have to give it an A+. Now, if you want to see the best avocado mask, click the link in the description box because that is it. But thus far, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, and join me back for the next video. See ya.